Alright you guys, it is so gorgeous in here now that we have all these beautiful leaves. It's really like fall. And I'm just going to feed them some of these corn on the cobs, corn cobs. Some of them have a lot of the kernels off. Some of them are brand new, so I'll show close-ups of them eating them after. There's Susie. Hey, Toothless. This is the new package. They're like little half corns. They'll love those. Hey! Let me do a close-up of them eating them. That's my white Brahma Gandalf, the one with the black. So beautiful. Hey, she just stole it. Or is that Toothless? That's my rooster. He just stole it. Toothless, don't be an asshole. They're eating one over here. Oh, we got him eating another one over here.